Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about what are input and output stream in C++. Before moving to the video, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. In the previous video, we discussed about what are variable scope and data type in C++. And in this video, we discuss about what are input and output stream in C++. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, we discuss about what are input stream. Basically, input stream are the direction of flow of bytes take place from input device, for example, keyboard, to the main memory. In input stream, extraction operator is used. Extraction operator is like this, okay? And after input stream, we discuss about what are output stream. Direction of flow of bytes take place from main memory to the output device. In this, insertion operator is used. Insertion operator is like this, okay? I will keep the link of this PDF in the description box so you can check it from there. Now do some example to master what are input and output stream in C++. Create a folder in your suitable place and right click on it and click on open with code. If you have not watched the video getting started C++ installing Visual Code and G++ C++ tutorial CodeHankering, do watch the video, because if you will not watch the video you won't be able to run C++ program. After that, create a folder. I will create it tude5.cpp and type header file here has include iostream using namespace std int main function return 0. Now discuss about what are input stream. Input stream, basically input stream is used to take input from user. So in input stream, extraction operator is used. Extraction operator is like this, okay? Declare a variable first int a and take input from user. Cin is used to take input from user. Comment this. It is used to take input from user. Cin a semicolon, and after that run the program, and here you type 5. Then you can see that the code is running. This is the use of input stream, okay? Now discuss about what are output stream. Output stream, in output stream, insertion operator is used, which is like this, and cout. In the previous video we also discussed about cout function. Basically, cout function is used to print something in the terminal, okay? So cout, insertion operator, double inverted comma, the value of a is, insertion operator a semicolon, run the program. Here I will type 5. Then you can see that the value of a is 5. After declaring int a, type cout to print, enter the value of a, then put semicolon. After that, run the program. You can see that enter the value of a. I will type 50, enter. You can see that the value of a is 50 is printed in the terminal. Now comment out all the program, and I am going to make a program which is used to calculate addition of two number, division of two number, subtraction of two number, and a multiplication of two number. So first of all, type int num1 num2 comma sum. After that, I will print cout, enter the value of num1 and put semicolon, and after take input from user cin num1 semicolon. it will take the value of num1, print enter the value of 2 semicolon c in num2, and after this put sum is equals to num1 plus num2. Now int sum is equals to num1 plus num2. It will calculate the sum of both number. For example, if you put the value of num1 is equals to 10 and the value of num2 is equals to 20, the sum is equals to num1 plus num2. Value of num1 is 10 and the value of num2 is 20, so the sum is equals to 30. Print the value of sum. Cout the sum of num1 and num2 is equals to sum semicolon. Run the program. You can see that enter the value of num1, I will give 10, enter the value of num2 20. Then you can see that the sum of num1 and num2 is equals to 30. And after that in sum replace the addition to subtraction, and after this run the program. I will give the value of num1 is 50 and the value of num2 is 25. Then you can see that the sum of num1 and num2 is 25. After subtraction I will multiply num1 and num2, and after that run the program, and the value of num1 I will give 10 and the value of num2 is 10. Then you can see that sum of num1 and num2 is 100. The multiplication of num1 and num2 is equals to 100. After multiplication I will divide num1 and num2 and run the program, and the value of num1 is 50, value of num2 is 25. Then you can see that sum of num1 and num2 is 2, means num1 is divided by num2 is equals to 2. In this video we discuss about what are input and output stream in C++. I will give the link of this source code in the description box, so you can check it from description box. If you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.